this. So we have 0.25 power 2x minus 3 is equal to 32. Find the value of x. So how to solve this? So the first we have a decimal number. So we solve this by changing the decimal number to the fractional number. So this is the same to 25 over 100 equals this power 2x minus 3 is equal 32. So we can simplify by 25 by 25. So this is the same to 1 over 4. This is equal 1, this is equal 4. Power 2x minus 3 is equal 32. So when you use this in power notation, 1 over 4 is equal 2 power minus 2. This is equal 1 over 4. Then power 2x minus 3 is equal what? This is equal 2 power 5. So the power of power, if we have a power n is equal to a power m times n. So according to that, 2 power minus 2 times also 2x minus 3 is equal to 2 power 5. 32 is equal to power 5. So when you multiply this, you get 2 power minus 4x plus 6. When you take this multiply to this, so is equal to power 5. So remember that a power m is equal a power b. The base are the same, so then m is equal to b. According to that, 2 is equal to then minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 5. So minus 4x is equal 5 minus 6 minus 4x is equal minus 1. So according to that, we simplify this and that. So x is equal 1 over 4. So it means that x is equal 0.25. So those are the solution for our equation. It's according to that, this x is the same to what this is 0.25. So this is the answer of our equation. Thank you for watching this. If you have the question, write on the comment. Thank you.